Unplugged and Uncut.
What up, everybody? It's your boy Unique. You tuned in to Unplugged and Uncut, and we got a special edition this time for y'all. As you can see, we scrolling through the studio real quickly so we can get to this bad boy right here. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Zen Tour Synergy Core. This is literally your all-in-one studio. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy unboxed. Because Antelope, they went all in on this bad boy. It also came with, right now, the free Edge solo microphone. It's $1,000 plus microphone. Bad thing, or not bad, but the good thing about this is it actually has the ability to mimic or emulate any microphone out there. Nice microphone. I also got Bitwig Studio coming with it, but I use Pro Tools, so let's see here. All right. Okay. All right, so it's sealed up nice and neat. I like the box, shows you everything. 32 real-time effects included with it. Once again, I use Pro Tools, so the effects aren't the real big key here. The big key with this Antelope Synergy Core Thunderbolt. I feel like when you're making a piece of equipment this sturdy and good, Antelope, every other company out there, throw a damn blessed. Bless us with a Thunderbolt cable. Don't damn us and make us gotta go buy one. Give us a little blessing, you know what I mean? The USB cable is cheap and outdated. That's the whole purpose of having Thunderbolt. So give us a Thunderbolt cable. Don't make us go buy one. I'm gonna go buy one anyways. All right, so I'm definitely excited to put this bad boy to use. As y'all can tell, this is the Zen Tour Synergy Core, and I'm out.
It's just, I hope, Trump is at ease now. Like, you can't win everything. I mean, so quick to call that there was some tampering going on. I believe that with every election, though. This is way before Trump. This was with the Bush campaign. This was with the Clinton era. Yeah, I think there's some faulty votes. But at the same time, no, you're a sore loser. I think it's a denial thing because he's so used to winning everything in the business world. Shit don't go that way in the political world. That being said, though, see, all these people that be running got a lot that they say they're going to be doing. And half of them don't even do half the shit they're gonna be doing. So now here comes the spotlight on Biden. Okay, what are you gonna do for this error? Half the time they spend in trying to correct what the other president did. So it's gonna be some bullshit about what he didn't do, because we sure did hear what Obama. Obama didn't do nothing for the black people. Obama didn't do. Okay, really? We always got something to say. Nobody is never happy. So we gonna see. We all in this together. We gonna see how this shit turn out. See, we have to remember something. Okay, Trump didn't serve both his terms. So now this nigga can come on back right after Biden, and Biden may not get elected for the second term of his the whole total 8 years. He might only do 4 years, and then President Trump might be back in office in another 4 years. That's the fucking shit I don't want to see happen. I'd rather let him serve both his terms than he can't be elected no more. All right, enough about the political stuff. I really do hate talking about politics, because I get into so in religion. That's the two things that I try to stay away from. So I really don't have much on my agenda today to talk about, but I will leave you with some footage. Me and my siblings and my daughter and niece went to Christmas Tree Lane, Candy Lane, whatever you want to call it, here in the Fresno, Cali last night. So I'm going to leave you with some footage of some beautiful homes and decorations. 'Tis the season to be jolly. It is better to give than receive. And everybody have a blessed day and happy holiday season, y'all. Stay safe out there. See you back tomorrow with more Unplugged and Uncut. Bye.
You already know.
Oh, wow. I'm about to get a call.
Right, I'm trying to, I'm like, can I get some footage, please? It's all fast, like it's blurry.
It's all black.
That's a big old house. That is a nice house right here.
Did they paint it?
Unplugged and Uncut. Unplugged and Uncut.
I want to.
Unplugged and Uncut.